Ako kasi, yung history ko, in 1994,
Oh.
naging isa ako sa mga image models ng pen shop.
Oh.
So that was the time na yung mga endorsers nila, mga local.
Oh.
Right? So they started as a brand in Cebu, t-shirt brand yan. Tapos 1994, kasama ko pa si Ryan Agoncillo. We were the Club Pen ang tawag sa amin, Club Pen 1994. At nakita talaga namin na, as a local brand, unti-unting lumaki. Until before you know it, may mga billboard na. Tapos biglang mga foreign endorsers na kinukuha.
Yan, ngayon, puro ganun na.
You remember the time na, sino ba yun? I think it was Bayo, na kinuha nila si Alicia Silverstone.
Yes.
Sobra tayong na-amazed. Sabi, wow. And then naka-billboard siya. So that's a sign na even a local brand can make it to that level.
Pero but why wait for... Ayun ang point ko eh.
Yes, yes.
Pero-
No, I get what you're saying.
Pero I'll say this yung Bench for example, ako rin, actually si Mr. Benchan, siya yung nag-start ng career ko kasi kinuha niya ako as an endorser sa Human. Ang laki ng efforts nila to promote local. Alam ko mayroon siya ng campaign, Love Local. Tapos siya rin i-initiate yung TernoCon. So talagang giving our national costume a stage, a center stage. Na ngayon, one of my friends, magpapakasal siya sa UK. Half Filipina, half British. Alam mo, sabi ng asawa niya, kasama ko ng Christmas, I would love it if she wore one of the Filipino ternos. I find them so elegant. Na
Yes.
parang na-shock ako, ha? Why? Why do you know our terno?
Oo.
Pero kasi ngayon nga, this day and age, it's nakaka-proud, it's recognized na yung shape na may butterfly sleeve.
Yes, oo.
And parang it's becoming something more globally accepted to wear that.
Oh,
Whereas
pero
before, parang hindi masyado kilala.